Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. I think it's number 26 in PHP, and in this we're going to user defined functions with a default parameter. Okay, so here's this function again. I've taken out the distances and I've reset the statement I want to print. But what I'm saying is here the default variable is going to be the saffron. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. No matter what, that's saffron. So we can still call a planet name or put in our different planets, but if I call planet name function show no arguments, what should we get? Okay, so let's see, line 1, 2, 3, and we have saffron shown here. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, our planet is saffron, right? Now we can go in here and we can change that just to show you. We could make it into, I don't know, let's see, saffron, Mars, Jupiter, I don't even know all the planets. Let's make one up, Krypton. Even though it's not in ours, but Superman would be happy, I'd say. Let's have a look. Is Superman going to be happy in this one? And we refresh it. So I'm inspecting Krypton here. Yes, there you go, Krypton. Okay, so there you go again. That's when you call it no arguments, but you already have a default argument here. It's just that. Alright, thanks for joining me guys, and I think number 27. Take care, see you then, bye bye.